Most people underestimate how powerful they are. Scarcity is just not about having less money. Scarcity is when your brain codes danger into growth. What if more money did not corrupt me? Some changes can be gentle and slow, and some shifts can be fast and still safe. How to shift from scarcity thinking to moonshot thinking. Most people underestimate how powerful they are and overestimate how dangerous money and success are. That gap is where scarcity lives. Scarcity is not just, oh, I have less money. It is a silent belief that if I grow too big, I'll lose myself. If I earn more, I'll lose my freedom or love or peace. In this video, I want to show you how to shift from scarcity thinking to what I call moonshot thinking. A way of thinking where you're allowed to want a life that would look impossible to the old you without feeling guilty, without feeling selfish or scared. Stay with me till the end because I'll give you a 3-line exercise to literally rewrite your money beliefs on paper today. So let's start with this. Scarcity is just not about having less money. It's when your brain codes danger into growth. It sounds like, if I earn more, I'll lose my freedom. If I become visible, people will hate me. If I focus on my dreams, I'll abandon my family. If I charge more, I'm a bad person. So what do? We undercharge, we overgive, we procrastinate on obvious opportunities. We keep saying, next year, next year, next year. On the outside, life looks just fine, but inside, there's a quiet war. One part of you wants to grow. Another part of you is terrified of what will happen if you actually grow, if it actually works. Have you ever felt that? You get an idea, and instead of asking, how can I make this happen? Your brain jumps to, what if this goes wrong, yaar? What will people say? Am I allowed to want this? That, my friend, is scarcity thinking. It keeps you safe, but it also keeps you small. Now, let's talk about moonshot thinking. You know what moonshot thinking is? Planning for a version of you whose life would look impossible to your current self. Not just a 10% better life, but a 10 times more aligned life. It asks you, what if more impact did not burn me out? It actually energized me. What if more money did not corrupt me? It actually made me more generous and relaxed. What if more visibility didn't make me fake? It made me more myself. The key shift is this one question. What if more impact, more money, more visibility made me more myself, not less? For me, my moonshot moment was when I finally allowed myself to say, I don't just want a little bit more comfort. I want a life where I do work I love with people I love, in a body that feels safe, with money that supports my peace. It felt almost rude to want that much. My old programming kya thi? My old programming was, be grateful, don't ask for too much, don't attract attention, Meghna. Don't do that. Help everyone else first. You come last. Moonshot thinking did not cancel gratitude. It only expanded it. You know what moonshot thinking told me? It said, I'm grateful and I'm allowed to grow. I'm kind and I'm allowed to be powerful. I can love my current life and build a bigger one. That's the energy I want for you. So to move from scarcity to moonshot, there are 3 beliefs that we need to upgrade. Once you're done with these, you see how quickly you move to moonshot. You can even write these down with me. Sabse pehli belief, what I'm allowed to want. Scarcity version will say, I'm allowed to want just enough. If others have less, I shouldn't ask for more. Wanting big things makes me selfish. But your moonshot version, that's gonna say, I'm allowed to want a life that excites me. My joy and my expansion are good for everyone who are connected to me. There is room for my dreams and other people's dreams as well. I want you to try this reframe. If your old line is, I should be satisfied with whatever I get, try this reframe of the moonshot line. I'm deeply grateful for what I have and I'm allowed to grow into more. That's the reframe, and this reframe, guys, changes everything because that works on changing your operating system. The second belief that we want to work on is how fast it's allowed to change. Scarcity version would say, big changes take forever. If it grows too fast, no, Meghna, it'll collapse. Slow suffering is safer than quick growth. But your moonshot version is going to say, some changes can be gentle and slow, and some shifts can be fast and still safe. I am allowed to receive faster than my past. Or speed is not the enemy, disconnection is. The best thing that you can reframe here is to try, suppose aapka old line ye hai, कि if it happens too fast, something bad will follow. Your moonshot line is going to say, I am allowed to experience quantum jumps that still feel grounded and supported. That's a huge difference, guys. Try this moonshot reframe. It's going to change everything for you. The third belief here that we want to change is who I'm allowed to become if it works. Think about that. And this is a big one because your scarcity version would say, if I become very successful, Meghna, I'll become arrogant. If I have more money, people will use me. If I shine, I'll lose my friends or I'll lose my partner. So unconsciously, you keep your life just below the level where these fears would be triggered. But you know what? Your moonshot version would say, as I grow, I become more myself, not less. More money means I can express more of my values, my generosity, my beauty, my contribution. The right people will grow with me or they'll find me. This is the best reframe here to try. अगर आपकी old line ये है कि if I become really successful, I won't recognize myself, तो आपका नया frame moonshot line ये होना चाहिए. If I become really successful, I will finally recognize the version of me that I was always meant to be. Isn't that beautiful and more powerful, my friend? So here is your tiny little exercise. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अभी करें मेरे साथ. Take a fresh page. और 3 हेडिंग लिखिए उसके ऊपर. सबसे पहला हेडिंग, what am I allowed to want? Second, how fast it's allowed to change. And third, who I'm allowed to become if this works. और हर एक हेडिंग के नीचे लिखिए one old line that you've been carrying yourself, जैसे कि हमने एग्जाम्पल से अभी आपको बताया, and one new moonshot line you are willing to try on. जब आप ये करते हैं, it's like you are updating the code. And that's super powerful. So from today, I want you to notice, when are you dreaming small to stay safe? When are you delaying your obvious opportunities? When are you saying often, maybe later, but your heart means, I'm scared now. When you realize doing that, know that is scarcity thinking. That is scarcity talking to yourself. And then when you hear that, just stop and gently ask, what would my moonshot version of me choose here? मेरा moonshot version अगर होता तो क्या choose करता? Scarcity कोई एक वीडियो में disappear नहीं होने वाली है, my friends. But step by step, belief by belief, you can upgrade your money operating system so that wanting more no longer feels dangerous, but a natural feel होने लगता है. And if this really opened up something for you and you want to go much deeper into rewiring your money story, your identity and your daily behaviors, that's exactly what we do in our Automatic Wealth Masterclass. We take these ideas and turn them into actual practices, rituals and decisions so that आपका calendar और आपके bank account, they start matching the life that you actually want. And if that's calling you, click on the link in the description for the next masterclass when it's happening. But before you go, tell me in the comments, what is that one old belief about money or success that you are rewiring today? Write it down and then write your moonshot version. Guys, you are more powerful than you think you are. And money and success are way less dangerous than what you've been taught. Let's build a life that proves that to you.